Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So as you can already hear in my voice, I'm not feeling that well, but still I thought I will give you a very quick update on price action of Bitcoin, because if you look at this here in a daily time frame, nothing has changed so far. Even though we are seeing some sort of a move in here to the upside, the price is still below this Williams alligator indicator, and also the crossover what we can see is a bearish crossover. It happened here in the past Bitcoin price action, and after that we saw this retracement, and this similar scenario could be also playing out right now if we are still going to get rejection from this Williams alligator indicator. So what must the bulls actually do to take control over the market? We have to flip this resistance into support, and that must be around 45 to 46,000 price range, because if we do that, right, then maybe this Williams alligator indicator is again going to see another crossover which could be in favor of bulls. But right now this is still a bearish crossover, and price is still finding resistance around this Williams alligator indicator. Not just only the Williams alligator indicator, if you also look at these moving averages, the 20 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average, the crossover that is about to happen here, guys, this is extremely important, because in the past Bitcoin price action, whenever we saw this crossover happening, the price also saw this pullback. And right now if you look at this carefully, this could be also forming another bearish crossover here in price action of Bitcoin. So that's why, guys, unless we are not going to flip this resistance also from this moving average around this 45 to 46,000 into support, the price of Bitcoin could still be weakening, right? So this is one thing what we have to take into consideration. And if you look at this in a bit different way, no problem, you can see here, this broadening bottom scenario is still in play. I talked about this on my yesterday video, and I'm showing you one more time because the price is still below this resistance line, which previously acted as a resistance and also as a strong line of support. So if we do, right, manage to flip this resistance into support, then we are aware the price of Bitcoin is ready for this next move here to the upward direction. And why? Because this here is also around this 45 to 46,000 resistance line, and along with that the Williams alligator indicator is also exactly around that price range. So you can see the top line, the blue line, is also sitting around 45,000 price area. So that's why for bulls the 45 to 46,000 range is a must break line. So let's see how the price of Bitcoin is going to do, because unless we are not breaking this resistance and flipping into support, guys, there might still be more shakeout and also potential downward price movement for Bitcoin. And now if we look at this price action of Bitcoin using this CPR indicator, guys, the CPR is a leading indicator and gives us information beforehand. So according to this CPR indicator also right now, as you can see, we are finding resistance around this bottom CPR line. The bottom CPR line is lying around $43,931. So let's say 44,000 price range. So if we do see resistance flipped into support, then the next target is going to be around this 45,000 price area. So that's why I was saying, for us, the most important right now is to flip this resistance from 45 and 46 into support, because if we do that right now, then guys, this is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin, because the price is again going to be above the top CPR line that's lying around 46,000 price range, exactly around that range. So that's why for bulls it's very important that we gain support above this 45 to 46,000 price range, because getting rejection again from this CPR line, the bottom CPR line, and price is also going to see a reversal. You can see the lower price target is still there, right, and it is lying around 39,450 price area. So we should not forget that. But right now the price of Bitcoin looks like it could be seeing some more upward price movement, because if you look at this in a smaller time frame around this price range, we can see another very interesting scenario falling for Bitcoin. So now if we look at this price action of Bitcoin in a 4-hour time frame, if you look at the price structure here, guys, let me show you this descending channel, and we are aware the upper line here from this descending channel was always a strong line of resistance. And right now where we might be approaching here in the immediate short term is also around this upper line area. So if we do manage to flip this resistance around this 45,000 into support, then we are aware the price is more likely to continue this rally here to the upward direction. Why? Because then we are going to break above this CPR lines, right, which is right now acting as a resistance, and also break out of this upper line area of this broadening bottom. Along with that, Williams alligator indicator and the 50-20 exponential moving average. So that's why for us the key point is to break out of this 45 to 46,000 and find support above it, because you're getting rejection again between this 45 to even around this 44,000 could still indicate weakness and potential downward price movement for Bitcoin. Why? Because you can see in the CPI line, the lower price target is still open, which is lying around 39,450 price area. So guys, wait until the price actually shows us a clear trend direction. So please don't over leverage, and also please use proper position sizing. So guys, these are some of the scenario I wanted to share with you in today's quick update. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and for those individual watching this at first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.